Hi again, Red Base. It's Miss Kayla here. So in maths this week, if you remember, we're learning about finding one more and one less. And we're reading our lovely stories, aren't we? And today we're going to finish off our story about the 10 little princesses. So can you remember yesterday? We counted from number 10. Let's do it together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We got to number 5 in the story. So today we're going to finish it off. But let's count all of our princesses together first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Brilliant counting. Well done if you were counting along with me. So we got to number 5. Let's find out what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little princesses spot a hairy paw. Ooh, you're a beauty, growls the beast. But now there are... What's one less than number 5? Should we have a look? 4, well done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little princesses climb a beanstalk tree. Can you remember we learnt about beanstalks when we read Jack and the Beanstalk? Fee, fi, fo, a giant says. And now there are 3. Ooh, who's this? I know lots of you like dragons. 3 little princesses really in a stew. Whoosh roars the dragon's breath. Can you see he's breathed out all that fire? And now there are... We had number 3. Now 1 less than 3 is 2. 2 little princesses wondering where to run. Grrr, snarls a sneaky troll. Can you all growl like the troll? Grrr. And now there is... What number can you see? 1. Just 1. Oh, she looks a bit sad. 1 little princess feeling sad and blue. All her friends have disappeared. Whatever can she do? 1 little princess makes a special call. You go on your phone, make a special call. She rings her fairy godmum on her mobile crystal ball. Fairy godmum waves her wand. The others reappear. The baddies run, the ball is saved. It's time to whoop and cheer. Are they feeling happy as they dance the night away? 10 little princesses all shout, yay! Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's some princes there as well. The princes and the princesses are all having a lovely party all together. Oh, that's a nice end to the story when they're all happy. Isn't that gorgeous? Right, so our 10 Little Princesses book is finished. Shall we have another go at our game, like we did yesterday, at finding one less? So if you remember, when we had one more, we're making our number bigger. But in our stories, we are finding one less. The numbers are going down. The numbers are getting smaller. Like today we did 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the numbers getting 1 less. They're getting smaller. So let's have a look at our 1 less board. 1 less. I'm going to put some of my princess pictures on here. You can do the same if you've made some princess pictures at home. And then let's have a go together to see if we can find 1 less. Can you tell me how many princesses I've got? Are you ready? Go! Well done. Did you say number 3? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. Well done, you're right. 3 little princesses. I don't want 3. I want to find 1 less than 3. What do we need to do to find 1 less? Do we add another one? No. 1 less means we're taking 1 away. So let's have a look. So 1 less than 3 is 2. Brilliant, well done. Let's do that again. So now we've got 2 little princesses. Shall we find 1 less? 1 less than 2 is 1. Should we do it again? 1 less than 1. 0. All of our little princesses have gone. So if you have made your princesses or your pirates from yesterday, or you might even draw some different characters, maybe you could draw yourself, and maybe you could draw your mummies and your daddies. You could draw your family pictures, and then you can have a go at 1 more and 1 less. That would be brilliant. And mummies and daddies, if you can take some photos and some videos of your children counting 1 more and 1 less, that would be brilliant. I'd love to see on tapestry. Some ideas you can do at home if you're wanting to do some counting. You could do some just any counting around the house, like with cushions. You could count how many cushions. So I could say, I've got 1, 2, 3 cushions. Can you add 1 more? Or can you find 1 less? Or maybe when you're setting the table, you could ask your children to help, and you could put 1 more spoon, 1 less fork. Have a little go and have a little think of some different ideas of ways you can do your counting at home. Well done everyone for your listening so well all week to the stories. I'm so proud of you all, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Bye!